Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Eva Miller Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Eva Miller Masturbator itself. An impressive sized mega masturbator. Here are some useful measurements about this Eva Miller Masturbator. The total length is 24.6 centimeters. The internal length of the canals is 20.6 centimeters, the total height is 26.6 centimeters, and the diameter is 34.8 centimeters. Now, the Eva Miller Masturbator has a realistic look and feel, which is provided with both a vaginal and anus opening. The masturbator is shaped like deliciously full buttocks and also made of a TPR material, which feels soft but also firm. Both openings have ribbing on the inside for fantastic stimulation during use. When using the Eva Miller Masturbator, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean the masturbator after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Friend with Benefits Eva Miller Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.